Ni hao, welcome to the Crab House on Pier 39. Hi, I'm David Williams, the General Manager of the Crab House here on Pier 39. One of my favorites though is the crab enchilada. We have some great chipinos too.
Mussels over here. The mussels are roasted with a little bit of olive oil and garlic salt. Should be about 20 mussels here on one dish. And then the shrimp, it's pre-marinated with a little bit of lemon zest and garlic, and roasted also with a little bit of olive oil. It's served with lemon garlic butter over here and house garlic sauce over here for the mussels and shrimp. Also you can dip the crab over here and mix and match. And a little bit more, not too much, so you can get the meat out all in one piece. Open it up and use the fork here again. Get the meat and dip it in here, and the top part comes off. The crab legs, just like that one over there. A lot of garlic sauce on the skillet over here. You dip the meat in there. And it's crab enchilada, stew flour tortillas, stuffed with crab meat, cheese, mild peppers, some lettuce. It's baked in the oven and stuffed with tomato sauce, diced tomatoes on the side, tomatillo sauce over here, and sour cream on top as well.